Welcome everyone, I'm Ricky from Tech Talk. This is the Sony Xperia 10 and today is a basics video just showing you how to insert your SIM card, which is a nano-sized SIM card here, supplied by Vodafone UK. Underneath that is a micro SD card as well, so we're going to insert both of these today. And this can be up to 512 gigabytes, so giving you loads more storage for all your media, your content and everything you like to watch on your device or listen to music, and well as storing all them photographs and videos you take on this device. Also, you will need a SIM tool as you will need to pry out the tray for the micro SD card, and let me show you now. So one thing you will need is long nails, which I don't have, so I will use this. The first thing we will need to do is power our device off, so I'm pressing the power button here, then we're going to go power off. That will vibrate and then shut down. So now the tricky part comes in. So looking down the left hand side, if I just bring this up here, this is your dual tray. So there is a little grip inside here. If you do have a nail, you can actually get this in. So this will come out. So this will come out this way. So we're going to put that there for a second because we're going to try and get the SD card tray out as well. If you come back round and look at this now, here is your SD card tray. If I bring it up to the camera and tilt it this way, you should notice a divot in it where you can get a fingernail in there to pull it out. I found my SIM tool does the best job. So don't be scared. Just put it in. There we go. And then it just comes out. So now it's come out a little bit, I can use my fingers to pull the rest of it out. There we go. That goes down like so. So first of all, we'll do the SIM card. So the tray is actually upside down. So what you need to do is turn this around. You can see our cut-off edge there is to the top left. And it will have little clips in. So currently that's in there like so. I'm going to leave it like that in that position currently for the moment. Then we're going to flip around the SD card. And again, it will show you how to insert this here. So I believe it's going to go in like so. Yeah, goes in like that. Right, we're going to return the SD card first. So flip it back over, so you've got the silver side. Take your device, line back up. Push all the way in. Use the edge of your finger to push all the way in. So that is now in. So taking your SIM card, just turn it over, but hold it with your fingers because you don't want it to fall out. Return this to the top section of this dual tray system. I wish Sony would improve this and change the way they do it, as it is very, very fiddly. Clip all that back in. Once that's done, we're going to power our device back on. Yes, so Sony, if you are watching, just please make it a little bit easier. People do struggle with inserting SIM cards and SD cards into your devices, and in the future, just make it a little bit easier to do. Give this a second to boot back up. So you do have signal bars up here at the top, and they will start to come through, and you should connect to your network and then receive text messages. If I pull down here, it should say about the SD card, which it does. You can tap on here to go into further information. It's going to pull you into the menu. So your SD card is ready to go. Please note sometimes it will ask you to reformat this and you could potentially lose any data that is on that SD card. So make sure you back up before inserting into your device. So it's ready to go, which is good. We can go back home now and we can start to enjoy our content, and you can store more information on here as well. So that was a very basic video on Sony Xperia 10, just detailing how to insert your micro SD card and also insert your nano size SIM card. And obviously we've got an update here as well, which I'm going to go along and do a little bit later. But if you do have any questions or queries on this, please do let me know and I'll be more than happy to help. Drop a comment down below and I'll quickly reply to you as soon as I can. From me, Ricky, thanks always for watching. Please give the video a like as it does help. Subscribe and ring the notification bell to stay updated with all the latest videos from Tech Talk. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.